Hi, this is Jeremy with Hall Pool Supply, sitting in the back room thinking, okay, it's April, getting ready to be May, getting a little bit hotter. So I want to talk to you all about the things I would do if I was going into a hot summer. You really want to pay attention now while the weather is still good enough for you to drain a little bit or whatever you have to do to get your water balance in shape. And your water balance is not just your pH, your alkalinity, it's your cyanuric acid and your calcium hardness. Those are the two things that I'm going to spend about a minute talking about right now and show you some different links on the screen where you can figure out what you need to do, because when you do the math, even if you have to drain and pay a little to get your levels in line, you're going to spend far less on chemicals over the summertime. So let's look at this. First of all, if you find this useful and you want to forward it to a friend, you can just forward your email, tell them, hey, just click there and sign up, you'll get the same thing. Every single week, you're going to receive information in this window here about anything relevant and current. So that's cyanuric acid and calcium hardness. It's April, beginning of May. We want to start looking at that. And here's how you figure out what to do. Definitely would watch this if you've never seen this pool tools before. Let's take a look at the chemical calculator. Now, this chemical calculator here that we're looking at, move this over a little bit. Now, all you do is you concentrate on this, and we're going to give you a couple more links here for another one, but you put your pool gallons because this will determine how much of anything or how less of something you're putting in the pool. Let's say you have a 24,000, 25,000 gallon pool, and you're looking at your hardness. Now, when you read your hardness level, you have to have a hardness strip, and let's say that it's over 400. Let's say we're creeping up at there. You know, over 400, you start having a problem with scale. That white stuff starts forming on your tile, etc., will lead to a bead blast or spending more money on stain remover, calcium remover. And now I'm going to click the results. So when you test, you see that says, see your pool professional about the pool water dilution options. Basically, they're telling you, look, you have to drain. You don't have to drain the whole pool. And even if you pay $200 to drain or $150 to drain half or a quarter out of your pool to get your calcium level down, you're going to save money over the summertime with chemical usage and not buying things to get rid of things that high calcium will cause. Next thing I want to look at is this, the cyanuric acid. This is your suntan lotion. So let's say you had a 24,000 gallon pool, and this is where you should be. This is good, 40 parts per million. But let's say you put your test strip in or you bring a water bottle in, and let's say this thing is over 100 and creeping up. Oh, look at that. It only goes to 100. It's bad. So they're saying, see your pool professional about water dilution options. This means you have to drain. Now, your cyanuric acid floats in the first 16 to 18 inches of water. So if you can drain from your top step, bring down about 8 inches, and then refill, test it out again after the pump is ran, bring it down maybe another 8 inches, and you can get below 100. Once you get below 100, you're going to make it. You should be at 40, about here. Look, is correct. Even if you're at 100 or right below 100, watch. Dilution. So if we can get you down below 100, you're going to spend a lot less money on your chlorine and sanitation. If you stay at this level without draining, you're going to spend more on chlorine because you have to add more to the pool. So this is the only thing I really wanted to talk about right now. I'll go back to our pool tools. Again, please watch the guide here if you haven't used this. Let me move this over. Watch this. I'll kind of tell you what this is about. Your dosage charts. Oh my goodness, this is incredible. So your dosage charts for everything that you need as far as your cyanuric acid level, your pH level, your calcium hardness is even spoken of here, but it's raising it because unfortunately the only thing you can do when you have calcium levels that are too high or cyanuric acid levels that are too high, excuse me while I'm rolling through this, one second. Where did it say oh, here we go. Let me go down here. raising. So you can add stuff to the pool if you're trying to raise, but the only way to get it down is to remove water and replace it with good water. Mix it up, test it again. So anyways, this is what I wanted to talk to you about. Thank you for paying attention to this. Everything should be right here for you. Your chemical calculator, dosage charts, cleaning guide. The cleaning guide actually will show you things, you know, like your, what we call the weekly pool cleaning guide. Step by step how to clean the pool, algae treatment, and we'll start adding certain things like stain remover, etc. Anyways, thanks a lot for watching. Hope you enjoyed the pool tools, and really pay attention. Go ahead and drain. You all are only 4% of the problem with the drought. Keep that in mind. You also, if you're a pool owner, you have saved your community lots of water because you're not watering grass on that concrete area. You're maintaining a body of water, 25, 30, whatever the gallons are, for 5 years. The evaporation is in no way equal to the water that your neighbors are spending watering their flowers, their lawn, etc. So look, as a pool owner, you're already doing the community a favor. If you have to drain to reduce your chemical usage and to keep your pool safe, healthy, good for your family, good for your children, good for your friends, it's okay to do the right thing. Thanks a lot for watching. We hope you have a great day. And again, any questions, anything you want us to modify on this, let us know. But really, it's 3 buttons: chemical calculator, dosage charts, cleaning guide. You have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.